Alrighty, today's vlog is gonna be probably less than a minute. Crystal and I are making dinner. What are we making?
We're just making pizza with whatever we have left over in the fridge, so we're not wasting.
Trying not to waste any food here, getting rid of some of this sausage and whatnot. We've got a pizza crust with pork rinds and Parmesan. We've got some of this pork for the toppings.
Some leftover butter, some leftover pepperoni, sausage stuff.
Mostly, we're going to take today to disconnect, as I wrote in 7 Set Sunday. So we're going to eat this pizza, we're going to relax, and we're going to try and not worry too much about what's going on in the world. So that's going to be the end of the vlog. Super short. Normal vlog will resume tomorrow. Take care.